everyone, welcome to Mr. Queen PH, and in today's video we will see what's coming to you in April 2025. As you all know, these are general readings, so it may not resonate with you completely, but if you want to consult with a trusted personal advisor who can give you individualized reading, I highly recommend my sponsor, Psychic Source. Psychic Source is the most trusted psychic service in the industry with over 35 years of experience. They provide intuitive guidance accessible to anyone through their community of professional and gifted advisors. You can connect with them at your most comfortable way through a phone call, video chat, or text. Psychic Source is committed to hope, healing, and empowerment. And if you're not happy with your last paid psychic reading, it's free. That's how confident they are, backing it up with a no-risk guarantee. Even if I'm a tarot reader myself, I still seek guidance to gain clarity from other psychics to see a different perspective because sometimes I can be biased on how I read my own cards. And I'm so satisfied with my recent consultation with Venus. She's an advisor from Psychic Source. She gave me comfort and insights with the project that I'm working with. Now here's the good news. Psychic Source is giving an extra special discount to new customers from my channel. This is the best and highest value promotion in the industry, and other psychic brands don't even close. Just go to trypsychicsource.com/MrQueen and use my code MrQueen to try up to 40 minutes with an advisor for just $19.80. That is up to $240 value. 40 minutes will allow you to talk to multiple advisors, and you don't have to use all the minutes in one session. You can also call the number on the screen to get a reading or scan this QR code to easily access the website. Again, that's trypsychicsource.com/MrQueen or click the link in my description to connect with an advisor anytime, anywhere. Thank you so much, Psychic Source, for this opportunity. And now, let's go to your reading. Okay, Libra, let's see what's coming to you ngayong April 2025. Please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. So, let's see, Libra, what's coming ngayong April for Libra. Okay, your overall energy, possible challenge, opportunity, your focus, blessings. Bottom of the deck is the Queen of Cups. So this is taking care of your needs, taking care of yourself. So maaari ngayong April, bibigyan mo ng attention yung sarili mo, self-care, self-love, and then yung iba naman, tapping into your creative talents, your creative skills. You're going to work on a project. Pwedeng sa trabaho, sa business mo. I also see pregnancy rito. May dalawang buntis. Pwedeng pregnancy mo or pregnancy ng partner mo. Take whatever resonates. So, very productive ang April para sa'yo. You will be doing a lot of things. Your overall energy, Ace of Pentacles, maaring kaya productive ka, busy, is because of a new beginning sa trabaho, sa business, sa career. You might have a project or nagsisimula ka sa work. You are starting a business. And then your challenge is the Page of Wands. So as a challenge, maaring meron kang mga gustong i-pursue sa ngayon na hindi siya pasok sa iyong oras, no? Yung tipong fully loaded ka sa mga gawain mo at hindi mo na maisingit yung ibang bagay na gusto mong gawin, especially if you are someone na medyo outdoorsy, yung gustong-gusto mong nasa labas, nag-hiking, nag-road trip, ayan. But syempre, kung bibigyan mo ng oras, of course you will be able to do that, no? And then your opportunity, you have the Three of Wands. You have the opportunity to grow your finances, to grow your career, to grow your business, because this is about expansion. You also have the opportunity na to go international. So kung halimbawa meron kang business na local, mas may opportunity ka ngayon na palawakin yung iyong clients, no, clientele. Oo. Na mas maraming pwede kang maging customer sa ibang bansa. Or yung iba naman, you might be considering to start a career, pwedeng work from home, pero ang iyong client or yung boss mo nasa ibang bansa. Or an opportunity to really work abroad, to relocate. Okay? Your focus is your finances, your career, your business. More on finances yung focus mo ngayon. Maaring meron kang binibuild na isang negosyo na, ayun nga, nagsisimula pa lang. This is stability in your finances. You want to have a stable income. And talagang pinagtatrabahuhan mo siya, no? Your blessing is the transformation, yung change, endings, new beginnings. So kung ano man yung natatapos or matatapos ngayong April, this would lead you to a blessed start, no? Kumbaga, yung simula ng panibagong chapter ng buhay mo. This will bring a lot of blessings, especially in your career, in your finances. What is the Ace of Pentacles? You have the Knight of Swords. Maaring marami kang kinakausap ngayon, maraming emails, communication. So, ang iwasan mo lang dito is yung pagiging mainitin ng ulo, na baka meron kang kailangang kausapin, tas mainit ang ulo mo. So, baka mag-iba yung resulta ng pag-uusap ninyo. You have the Empress as your challenge. Kung merong pregnant sa family, you have to take care, no? Huwag masyadong magkikikilos, lalo na kung medyo sensitive yung pagbubuntis. Okay? So, pwede ikaw to or yung partner mo. Some of you naman, as a challenge, pwedeng meron kang ipagpapaliban muna na travel. This can be a local travel or maaring ipagpapaliban muna na proyekto na sa tingin mo hindi pa to tamang panahon para isabay dun sa mga current na ginagawa mo ngayon. Three of Wands, King of Pentacles, I see promotion sa trabaho. Yung iba, may opportunity kayo na ma-promote, maaring napapansin ka na nga ng boss mo, yung gawa mo, yung performance mo sa trabaho. So, I see an offer. Pwedeng offeran ka ng mas mataas na posisyon, pwedeng increase ng sweldo or relocation sa ibang branch ng company ninyo at doon ka magiging boss. Okay, you have the Five of Wands as your focus. I think you will also be more competitive, no, sa career path mo ngayon or sa kung ano man tong binubuo mo ngayon sa trabaho mo, sa finances mo. If this is a business, I think pinag-aaralan mo yung market mo, pinag-aaralan mo rin yung competitors mo. If this is sa trabaho, maaring iniiwasan mong maging close sa iba mong mga katrabaho because iniiwasan mo yung conflict. Kasi minsan pag masyado kang malapit sa katrabaho mo, mas madali rin magkaroon ng conflict. Sabi nga nila, mahirap magkaroon ng kaibigan sa trabaho, and isipin mo na yung mga katrabaho mo, hindi mo sila dapat maging kaibigan. I just read about it or watched, napanood ko lang yun somewhere or nabasa. But I believe that, no? Although, may mga pagkakataon talaga na makakreate tayo ng friendship within the work. Pero kung ito ay competition mo, medyo mahirap. You have the Nine of Wands. I think itong blessing na matatanggap mo na pagbabago or major change, it's not going to be easy, no? Hindi siya magiging madali para sa'yo. But, it is going to be worth it. Kumbaga, parang tinetest ng universe yung resilience mo, yung kakayanan mo, yung strength mo dito sa change na to. For example, yung iba nawalan ng trabaho. Siyempre, inisip mo, that is something na devastating para sa'yo kasi nawalan ka ng trabaho. But that is also an opportunity for you to seek or to look for other earning potentials. And hindi mo akalain na yung bagong earning potential na yun pala yung magpapayaman sa'yo. 'Di ba? Ayan, you are being guided to your fate, to your destiny. Yeah. You are building your name, you are building your career. I also see na merong mga taong magiging attracted sa'yo, sa energy mo. You will attract people, you will attract customers, or even romantic partner kung ikaw ay naghahanap ng romantic partner. Merong wish din na matutupad. Saang area of life tong wish na to. 12th house, this is about your subconscious. Maaring yung mga minamanifest mo. 12th house talaga. And then 6th house, which is about your health, your well-being. So, maaring mas mabibigyan mo na rin talaga ng attention yung kalusugan mo ngayon. Getting together with friends, maaring meron kang mga events na sasamahan kasama yung mga kaibigan mo. Uy, solid foundation. So, merong success dito sa ine-effortan mo. So, if this is a new job, a new career, anything na nagsisimula sa'yo ngayon, kung talagang tatrabahuhin mo yan, e-effortan mo, you will experience and gain success from that. You have the bear and the clouds. The bear is your financial positions. So, maaring magiging maingat ka sa pag-handle ng finances mo. Kasi this is about using your power to be in control of your spendings. And having clouds here, ito yung pagkakaroon ng firm decision. I think, mas magiging disiplinado ka ngayon kung paano mo i-manage yung resources mo, yung finances mo, especially doon sa mga nagsisimulang magnegosyo. Kasi yung iba, ginagawa immediate gratification na kapag kumita sila ng konti, meron agad silang bibilihan para sa sarili nila. But for some of you, you are going to do delayed gratification na magpo-focus ka muna on building the foundation of your business or your career bago ka mag-spend para sa sarili mo. Okay? So that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. See you again.